Hi guys, for today's video, it's Saturday, and when it's Saturday, it's a running day. So we're about to run. So here we are at the oval. So magra-run kami ng aking beshimi. Ayan. So medyo umulan kagabi kaya yung oval medyo basa pero okay lang naman. At pagkatapos kong mag-run, ayan, umulan nga siya. Pero may araw pa rin. Ang ganda. Tapos, ayan, hindi na nakapag-run yung iba kasi yun nga, umulan. Tsaka, may rainbow lumabas. I'm so happy. Ang saya ko that day kasi, nauutal. Ang saya ko that day kasi, ayan may lumabas na rainbow. Ang ganda-ganda talaga. As in, like, ang ganda ng araw na to. Very productive talaga ang araw na to. So, ayan, tapos na kaming mag-run. So, ayan, pahinga na lang at tintila na yung ulan. And, ayan, picture-picture muna. Ang dumi ng white shoes ko. Kasi nga, ang oval. Ano ba yan? So, ayan lang. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. And don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel. Thank you. Love you. That's it, guys. Bye.